Question number 1. When a wire is stretched to double in length, the longitudinal strain produced in it is. Question number 2. The two pieces of copper wire have lengths L and 2L and their diameters are 2D and D respectively. If their wires are stretched by the same load, the resulting extensions will conform to the ratio. Question number 3. A copper wire of some length but double the diameter of the steel wire is stretched by the same force. If Young's modulus of copper is half and steel wires would be in the ratio. Question number 4. A pull of 10 tons has been suddenly applied to a rod of 10 cm square cross-sectional area. The maximum stress produced in the rod will be. Question number 5. A solid circular shaft is subjected to a maximum normal stress of 140 megapascals. The magnitude of maximum normal stress developed in the shaft is. Question number 6. The normal stress at the point R6x equals 10 megapascals and the shear stress at this point is 4 megapascals. The maximum principal stress at this point would be. B. Question number 7. A cantilever beam of effective length L carries a load W at the free end. The maximum deflection would be. B. Question number 8. A cantilever beam of rectangular cross-section carries a load W at its free end. If the load is halved and the width of beam is doubled, the deflection will be. Question number 9. The ratio of the polar moment of inertia to radius of the shaft is known. Question number 10. Hollow shaft of external and internal diameter 10 cm and 5 cm respectively. The torsional section modulus will be approximately.